Keto means eating a lot of fat. On the keto diet, the vast majority of your calories will come from fat, with some protein and very few carbohydrates. For most people, the macronutrient breakdown on keto diet looks something like this. 70–80% of your calories will come from fat, 20–25% of your calories from protein, 5–10% of your calories from carbohydrates. How does the keto diet work? Macronutrient breakdown. Those used to eating low carb already might find they need to eat even less dietary carbs to achieve a healthy state of ketosis. On a keto meal plan, you will eat high-fat foods including avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, MCT oil, and nuts and seeds. You will also eat high-quality grass-fed meats, seafood, eggs, and high-quality full-fat dairy. You'll get fiber, vitamins, and minerals from leafy green and other keto-friendly veggies such as kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. On keto, you'll want to avoid grains, even whole grains, starch, and sugar at all costs. As a good rule of thumb, only eat vegetables with fewer than 10 grams of carbs, or roughly 5 grams of net carbs per serving. Overall, your eating plan should aim to limit your carb intake to less than 30 grams of carbs per day. One final note, on keto, do not restrict your calorie intake. This is one of the biggest mistakes on keto, where people do not get enough calories after cutting out carbs and sugar.